Welcome in our company. Save electricity bill. This product help to save your money and your electricity by converting your normal switchboard to feedback switchboard. This product innovate by INA91 company. Comparison between normal switch and feedback switch. In normal switch, laptop not connected to charger, still charger consume your electricity and waste your electricity. In feedback switch, laptop not connected to charger, then charger is off and saving your electricity. Laptop is not connected to charger, then this product automatically off charger, as shown in video, and saving your money and electricity. If laptop connect to charger, then this product automatically on charger, as shown in video. Unbox the product. In white color is a device, install inside switchboard. USB cable is connected between laptop and device, install inside switchboard. Now this product is ready for installation. How to install this product into normal switch. Convert your normal switch into feedback switch. Step 1. Off main supply. Step 2. Open switchboard. Step 3. Get product as shown in video. Step 4. 2 electrical wire in red color. Connect into switch screw with the help of screwdriver, as shown in video. Step 5. Product connector connect to USB cable connector, as shown in video. Step 6. Close switchboard. Step 7. On main supply. Now normal switchboard convert into feedback switchboard. Where to used, IT company, commercial offices, co-working space, laptop user, computer user, etc. How to buy this product? Visit to www.ina91.com. Thank you.